I'm Michel Doak from Walt Disney Imagineering Paris, and today we're sharing a little more of the construction of our upcoming World of Frozen. Come take a look. Disneyland Paris is home to many castles, like our majestic Sleeping Beauty castle and many others. But for the first time in forever, we are adding castles and palaces here in our second park in Paris. There is the elegant Arendelle Castle, which is inspired by traditional Scandinavian architecture. Inside, guests can roam the royal hallways and go in an audience with Queen Elsa and Queen Anna. Disney Imagineers have just completed the installation of Elsa's Ice Palace on top of the North Mountain, the highest point of World of Frozen. With its height and scale, the Ice Palace, made out of more than 30 pieces, will for sure become a beacon that guests walk towards as they approach this new immersive area. Day by day, Arendelle becomes more lively. But behind the scenes in World of Frozen and our other experiences, there's still a lot to achieve. But one thing is certain, we will welcome our guests and fans to World of Frozen in the spring of 2026.